Okay, everyone. So let's imagine a scenario where you have an object like this one with all these UDIMs. And then for some reason, you need to scale this down, but you don't want to do it one by one. You want to do it in a way that is quick, that you can easily go up and down if you have to. If you're using my 2017 or below, you won't be able to access this UV toolkit. So keep that in mind. Here in the UV editor, you can access this toolkit by clicking here on Tools. You can either hide or show your UV toolkit. So I'm going to select my object. I'm going to select this whole piece. And you can see we have all these styles. I'm going to select all my shells. And this might take a while because we have a bunch of shells. Now I'm going to my Transform tab. And this is where the trick happens. So I'm going to select my UV area option. So change it to UV area, and I'm going to click on this circle here. So it's going to pivot there. That's exactly what we want. And I'm going down here. I'm going to find the scale option, and then I'm going to simply change this to 0.5. So I want this to scale down by half. I'm going to click this button, and that's it. Look at that. So now we have half the resolution that we had before of our textures. And the best thing about it is that we kept everything within the tiles. We don't have to change anything. We don't have to move things around or do tile by tile. And if you want to go up, you can simply select and then do the same thing. I'm going to set the pivot there, and you can increase this by 2. And then it just goes back to where it was. And again, you can go up again, but in this case, you're going to have to manually tweak this and arrange if you need this kind of resolution. But we don't want that. We just want to scale this down. And the best thing, again, it's going to keep everything within the tiles. So this is a perfect technique. Let's say if you have a hero asset and you want to create a proxy version, a lower resolution version of the same object, and you need less UDIMs, you can just use this technique. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this tip, and I see you next week.